In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your iPhone doesn't charge above 80%. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. After that, just scroll down until you find battery. And that's where we need to tap right here where it says charging optimization. As you can see here, it is set to 80% limit, so it doesn't allow our iPhone to charge above 80% to save your battery life. However, you can just hit right here to turn this option off, or you can select optimized battery charging to reduce battery aging. I prefer to keep the first option selected. And basically, guys, that's how we can easily solve that issue. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.